Hi, I'm Michael Leopold, the CEO of the Convertus Group. Convertus Group is the largest, most advanced organic processor in North America.
My name is Jamie Jongsma, and I'm the CFO of the Convertus Group. What we do is we combine engineering expertise with our Dutch-based engineering firm with our operational expertise here in Canada. So we've been designing and building organic waste treatment facilities all over the world for the last 20 years, and we've been operating them here in Canada for roughly the same time.
My name is Cornelis Stelwagen. I'm the Chief Technical Officer at the Convertus Group. When food waste ends up in landfills, it releases methane, a potent greenhouse gas. At Convertus, we help turn that problem into a solution. By processing organic waste, we prevent it from going to landfill and instead create something valuable, biomethane. This is a renewable energy source. And we also produce compost. The compost goes back to farmers, helping to increase soil organic carbon. This is a major long-term carbon sink. So we're not just avoiding emissions, we're actually drawing carbon back into the ground where it belongs.
So our three values with Convertus are care, one team, and creativity.
The Convertus values are the foundation for everything we do. These values mean a lot to me. Care, for example, means that we care for one another. We are one big team. Although our company has grown by leaps and bounds over the last few years, we still really focus on our individual relationships back and forth between employee to employee and manager to manager.
Innovation is what is going to drive success for companies in this industry. And so organic waste treatment is not an easy process. It's a live biological process. You're getting an input from customers where there's no guarantees over the quality or what's in that material. And we effectively need to find ways to convert that into a renewable product and to do it in such a way that makes sense for our customers and for our employees. And that often results in us having to make creative or innovative decisions or finding those types of solutions.
One team is about unity, across departments, across borders. Whether you are in Canada or the Netherlands, engineering or operations, we work together, learn from each other and grow stronger as a team. It also means we look out for our colleagues. Safety comes first and we don't leave anyone behind. When we start something, we finish it together.
Here at Convertus Group, we're really changing things for the better in the future. And so this really attracts top young talent because they want to know that what they're doing as an employment is really making change in the world. We all know about the greenhouse gas emissions challenges we have, CO2 challenges. And so by taking organic waste and keeping it out of landfill and diverting it into a renewable natural resource, really closing the loop for a better future, is why people really are attracted to this company.
Here you're able to put your efforts and skill sets to use for sort of a purpose bigger than any one of us. We also offer competitive compensation and we've got really great benefits and sort of support programs that we've built into those. But I think probably the defining factor for us is the people that we have and the wonderful team of individuals that are working on something bigger than ourselves.
Here at Convertus, we are an equal opportunity employer and we promote growth from within.
So we're always looking for really high quality people in our organization that can be promoted upwards. We have educational programs here where we'll invest in our people to further expand their education to take on more challenging roles within the business. And in general, we have facilities across Canada and we're slowly working our way into the US. So even for individuals that are looking to relocate to different markets or cities, we've got opportunities for them there as well.
It means transforming waste into something valuable, like compost or renewable energy, instead of letting it end up in landfill. For me, it's also about mimicking nature. In nature, nothing is wasted. Everything is part of a cycle. And that's what we strive for, circular systems that regenerate, not deplete.
What it means to close the loop is to be able to take a material, such as food waste, convert it into renewable natural gas and compost, and then be able to provide it back to the local farming community where they can use that as a part of a soil amendment program to regrow the fruits and vegetables that are consumed back at the residential level. Closing the loop really means zero waste.
Organic recycling is fascinating. You're working with biology, chemistry, engineering, and yes, even with microbes that turn waste into valuable resources. It's complex, it's alive, and in a way, it's always full of surprises. We like to joke that we're working with bugs on steroids, because in our processes, those microbes work our overtime, and we speed up nature's own recycling process. If that excites you, you'll fit right in.
Having 3 young daughters, wanting to ensure that I'm doing what I can to protect the environment and create a world that ideally is better than when we found it. There's a larger purpose here than just sort of clocking in and clocking out and doing what we do. We're really working towards something positive for the communities we operate and really across the globe as we build more of these facilities.